How to refund a Steam game. Today I'll show you how to refund for a really bad game that you have bought on Steam before. I'm going to show you how to do it. Make sure that you have not played the game for more than 2 hours and that it hasn't been more than 2 weeks since you have bought the game. So first go to the top right corner and click on your profile tab and select account details. Under store and purchase, click view purchase history and then find the game that you would like to refund, and in my case this is PUBG. The thing is, I just don't really like the game, and that's again just my personal opinion. The money it will be refunded will go back to your Steam wallet, since it was purchased that way. If you purchase it with a PayPal or a credit card, it will be sent to the carding account and not to the Steam wallet, unless you really choose to do so. As there will also be an option for it on submit request, and usually within 1 to 3 hours you will receive an email about the refund and money will be returned. So all for today's video guys, thank you so much for watching.